This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone's GPS is enabled and has enough battery. This prevents interruptions when toggling permissions. Once done, close heavy background apps so the game can request access without memory issues. Open Mobile Legends and tap your player avatar to enter the main settings menu. This is where in-game permission prompts and account options appear. Make sure you're logged into the account you play on. Because location, toggles apply to the active profile and related permission dialogues. Now you navigate to enable the actual permission. Inside Mobile Legends, tap Settings, then Account, and look for Permissions. If a location prompt appears, choose Allow only while using the app for privacy and function. If the game shows no prompt, exit to your device settings, go to Apps, find Mobile Legends, and choose Permissions. Toggle location on there. This ensures the game can access GPS when active but not continuously, which balances gameplay features like location-based events and your privacy. Finish by restarting Mobile Legends so the permission change takes effect. You'll often see location-dependent features activate immediately after a relaunch. Make sure your device's location mode is set to high accuracy or GPS on, because low-power modes can block precise coordinates. If it still doesn't work, clear the app cache or reinstall the game to reset corrupt settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if location remains unavailable, check for a system-level privacy profile or VPN that might be masking your GPS, and disable it temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.